This is the smartest and quickest way to $10,000 a month. Now I'm 21 years old and I've made $10,000 more times than I have fingers on my hands. And for credibility, I'm going to show you my Stripe account where I just started a brand new business and I'm just crossed about $50,000 for the last 4 weeks, okay? Let me show you. Right here. Right, not sure if you can see that. Right, $48,000 in the last 4 weeks alone for this business. Right, now I've owned and I own a couple different businesses, but this is my newest one. So, you know, just the newest results, right? I don't want to show you a company that I've been working on for the last 3 years that's making a couple $100,000 a month and then you have false expectations. No, that's not what this is about. What this is about is that I've made a lot of money in a lot of different things. And I've been in the game for the last 6 years, right? And most of those years I spent making no money, right? So the way that I'm making 10 grand a month now isn't the way that I used to make 10 grand a month. Right? What I'm going to tell you is the fastest way to make it. Okay, for someone that might be working a 9-to-5 job, or for someone that's got an agency or a company that you don't enjoy doing, this is going to be there for you. And unlike a lot of other guys that are on here that are telling you to either start a personal brand or to build a business, right? I'm going to be telling you a way which you don't need either of them. Because personally, I don't believe that you should start a business because there's a lot that goes into it. Let me break it down real quick. So for example, for a company, right, let's say someone tells you, okay, they make, you know, $30,000 a month. Okay, and I'm going to use Australia as the example. 35% of that goes to taxes automatically. 10% of that goes to quarterly taxes automatically, right? So what, now you drop down like 45%, 50%. And then you got to pay contractors and things like that. That's another 10% and another 15%. And then you're paying rent and groceries by the end of it, you're left with like $5,000 for the month, right? As a business owner, right? That's the reality of it. And I could have made a whole video on that because people don't talk about that, right? The business owner is the last person to get paid. I want you to be the first person to get paid. Right? What I'm about to tell you was what made me my first $100,000 in a year, right? I'll pop a screenshot here somewhere of that $100,000 to show you again, I'm not bullshitting you. And it made me my first $10,000, $20,000 and $30,000 in a single month. The smartest path isn't building another dropshipping store or an agency, SMMA, some e-com brand. It's not, because the reality is that they are FOMO, right? Which means it goes in and out of style. A couple of years ago when dropshipping was popping off, there was a lot of FOMO for it. It was making a lot more money and costing you a lot less to actually run the thing. Now it costs you a lot more money to make stores and things like that, and you make a lot less. The same thing goes for SMMA and things like that, right? It's FOMO. You want something that is going to be consistent every single month with every single year, no matter what happens. You want something that's recession proof, right? And it is. Smartest path is sales, right? And I'm not talking sleazy salesman. I'm not talking corporate sales. I'm not talking door-to-door, car salesman. No, okay? Because truth is, I used to do that and I was making 48 grand a year. Yes, you know, I now live in a $2 million house. I've retired my partner. I've done these cool things, but I used to work a lot of different jobs, right? And sales was one of them. And it gave me a really bad taste of what it is. But I want to break down something to you that you've probably not really heard before, that I think is going to change your mind about how sales actually works online. What does everyone sell? What's everyone sell? Okay, you know, courses, coaching programs, digital products, you know, all these crazy things on TikTok, right? They are selling digital programs, okay? And I'm not gonna be one of those guys that are on here like, oh my God, why are they making courses? Dude, just let them do what they want, right? At the end of the day, it took them years to get that information. They can charge $100 for it if they want, if they're good, right? But the matter of the fact is we want to first know what people are selling, which is courses, coaching, programs, etc. You need to understand people like Iman Gadzhi, you know, and all those popular influencers on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, etc. Right? They are making millions and millions and millions of dollars a month selling these courses. And there's thousands of people that are wanting to get into those courses. Do you really think Iman Gadzhi is just messaging everyone personally on Instagram? Right? No. So what does that mean? If you message Iman Gadzhi on Instagram saying, hey, I want to get into your course, and you get a message, you're not actually talking to him. Or, right, someone like Charlie Morgan, right? He's making millions and millions and millions of dollars a month. When you book a call with him, right, to book a call with him and to buy into his program, you're not going to book a call with him personally. You're booking a call with someone else. Now let's actually take this knowledge. The person in the DMs is called an appointment setter. And what they do is they work via commission. So every single time you message Iman Gadzhi, for example, and let's say he's selling a $10,000 program, right? And you message him and he messages you back, right? And then you get onto a phone call, right? You get booked in for a call to buy the program. And if you buy that $10,000 program on the call, then that appointment setter is going to make, you know, a 5 to 10% commission. Which means just because that appointment setter booked you into the calendar to get onto the phone call to buy the program, he made $1,000 commission. Now let's do the other one. The person on the phone call. When you talk to this person on the phone, right, and then you buy into whoever's program it is, so let's say Iman Gadzhi for 10 grand, that person is called a closer, right? They're closing you into the deal. They are then going to make 15 to 25% commission of $10,000. That's the potential of 2 grand commission plus, just for getting you into the program. You already wanted to buy because you saw Iman Gadzhi's brand, right? You want to work with him personally, etc. So these guys didn't have to do any work. They didn't have to sell. All they had to do was just put you in the right places and point you in the right direction. And they made a commission, right? This is exactly how people are making 5, 8, 10, even to 50 grand a month. It's fucking crazy, right? You don't need your own business. You don't need a personal brand. You don't need to run marketing. You don't have to pay anyone, right? They are paying you a commission percentage every single time. And you need to remember why, right? When people make a certain amount of money, their time becomes their greatest asset. So they're no longer going to be spending time to get more money. They're going to be spending money to get more time, right? That's the difference between making nothing to like 50 grand plus a month, right? Time is everything. So what Iman Gadzhi and these people do is they get these reps, these appointment setters and closers, etc., into their programs on a commission base, which means that they don't have to do any work. They're making money, right? And then they get to pay, obviously, the closer and the setter their commission. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to show you people that are doing exactly what I'm talking about, because I know that there's so many influencers on here just saying all this bullshit, right? Just regurgitating the same shit over and over and over again, but they don't actually show you, which is a little bit crazy, right? So again, let me show you people that are doing it, what they're doing, so how they're doing it, and I'm going to show you jobs of these influencers and business owners and software owners asking for appointment setters and sales reps. That way you can actually see, okay, yes, he's talking about it, but yes, I'm actually seeing it, which means it's true, okay? So this is my community that I have, where I get people that have maybe no experience or sales experience, whatever it is, and I teach them, train them, and get them into positions, okay? So then they can make 5, 10, 15 grand a month, right? And let's take a look at this, all right? So this is the wins channel, right? Let's take a little look at this. Bang. So for example, Patty, right? Patty landed an appointment setting role in 10 days. Right? He is working for a fitness coach, right? He got the job in 10 days and made his first $500 commission the next day. And here's an example again, right? 3-way interview with the big dog, right? So you can see here, he's having a 3-way interview for another position to get another job on top of this. Because again, you can have multiple jobs if you want, so then you can make multiple amounts of fucking money, right? Here, Nick, second job landed easy peasy. Nick's only been in here for a couple months. Nick started like a month ago. And we go up a little bit more. This guy started 8 days ago and already he landed a role with a B2B coach, right? You can see that here, right? Here's an interview, okay? Because you're going to be having interviews with these people to get the roles. Up a little bit more, right here, you can literally see why people need this, right? Hey brother, you haven't gotten back to me yet. Hey boss, sorry, I was slammed. The exact reason why I need a closer. Do you want to jump into a call? So you can see this firsthand, how this person that is messaging, this business owner, right, was so busy because there was so much going on, right, where he couldn't get back to this message, which is why they hire appointment setters and closers to begin with, right? Another one right here, $200. You can see that here, $200 commission made. See another one here, all right, $375 right here. Well, 71, sorry. Another commission right here, $166. And another 2 commissions right here, one for $900. And then the other one is $719, okay? That's insane. It really is, all right? So now I wanna show you jobs of people looking for people like you, okay? And I want you to realize these guys aren't any different from you. They just started, okay? All right, appointment setting jobs. Right here, for example, hiring multiple salespeople, on-track earnings, setters is $3,000 a month at minimum performance and $10,000 a month with amazing performance. Closers is $6,000 and then $15,000 a month. So you can imagine when I learned of this, I was fucking mind blown, because you got to realize I came from a sales background, but I wasn't making a fucking quarter of this. Again, I was making about 48 grand a year. This is $15,000 a month, right? And you don't have to pay anyone because you're just getting that money, right? All you got to pay is tax, and you're going to do that anyway, right? Again, looking for more appointment setters to grow the companies, right? Go up a little bit more. Again, looking for more people, right? For an opportunity. You can see that here. Go up a little bit more. Another one right here. Got a new opportunity to work with a software company. $3,000 to $6,000 a month. Okay, now I'm not going to show you anything more because I don't want to overwhelm you, but that is what's possible, right? Those jobs were getting posted in my group because I have people that are literally looking for roles for these guys, so they can get those jobs super, super quickly. But you know, they're out there, right? You just kind of need to know what to look for, right? So this is the fastest way to $10,000 a month. I'm serious, right? I went from, you know, trying to make money online for like 4 or 5 years and making nothing. I built the drop shipping stores. I did the e-commerce. I tried Etsy and shoe flipping. I tried all these different hustles, right? But it wasn't until I came across this where I literally made $7,000 my first month, right? It was a funny story. It was a full month, right? And I was about halfway in, and then I started this, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a good crack, and I made $7,000. A couple months after, I did $23,000. For the year, I did about $176,000. And again, you don't need to pay people. You don't need to pay for marketing. You don't need to pay for content editing. You don't need to pay for, ads. You're not paying for anything. This is your money, take away tax, inside of your pocket from working on your phone. And this is what guys just won't show you, because everyone wants to tell you to build this crazy business and everything because that's the hype right now. Well, guess what? Selling has always been there and is always going to be there. literally since COVID-19. And when COVID-19 happened, this grew because more businesses went online, etc. Right? So if there's another spark or something else happens, it's going to grow again and again and again. This is recession proof. Why? Because it's sales, and there's always going to be corporations and companies and businesses online in the world, right? And it's only going to grow. But apart from that, I hope you did enjoy the video. I think that's enough rambling. If you did, feel free to like, drop a comment if you have a question or anything like that. But I did really enjoy making this video. There is lots more to come, so make sure you stay fucking ready, and I'll see you on the next one.